Okay, so today we're going to be practicing using place value strategies to add, okay? And this is kind of similar to what we did yesterday. So look at the example that they gave us. It says, so this week, 248 people came to watch the school play on Tuesday night. 175 people came on Thursday night. How many people came to see the school play these 2 nights? Okay, the normal way that I'm accustomed to doing when I was younger, it was just to do this, right? 248 plus 705. Whatever I'm writing, what are you supposed to be doing? Right. There you go. 8 plus 3 is? What's 8 plus 3? 8 plus 3? Sorry, 8 plus 5. My bad.
15.
13, not 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, put the 3 down, carry the 1. 4 plus 7 is? 11 plus the 1 more that I carried? 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is? 3 plus the 1 that I carried? 4. And that's what they have, 423. Okay? That's one way of doing it. Is that a wrong way? No, that's just another way. Okay, but the way they're telling you is that we're going to add all the hundreds, and 248, how many hundreds do I have? 2. And 248, how many tens do I have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many ones? 8, which they have here. Okay? And then in 175, how many hundreds did I have? 1. How many tens? 7. And then how many ones? 5. So the way to do this is, out of all the ones that they have, they make 10 out of them, right? Okay? So then they have 10 here, okay? And then they take this 10 and add it to this guy right here. That's this one that they have. Okay? So then I have 3 left, right? And then now instead of they count these 4 that they have, these 4 tens, and then they have these 6 plus the 7. Okay, that's 11, right? Plus the one that I made right here is 12. So now I have 12 tens. Okay, so they put the 2 down and they get 12 tens, right? Okay, if I added all these together, I get 10 of them. 10 tens, or 10 times 10 is 100. That means I have to add another 1 in the hundreds place, so that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's how they got 400 out of that. Okay? You want to use whichever strategy works for you, whichever one you feel comfortable with. Okay? And then here, they want you to solve by filling in the blanks and then adding. Oh, what form is this with the zeros and the plus signs? Expanded, yes, very nice. Y'all listening, okay? So if I'm right, 631 expanded form, I get 600 plus 30 plus 1, yes. 368 in expanded form, I have what's first? 300 plus 60 plus 8. And then I just add up, down, right? Okay, what's 1 plus 8? 9. And then 30 plus 6 plus 60 is 90, which they have that already. And 600 plus 300 is 900. And then I change the expanded form to what form is this? Standard, right? Standard. If I add all these together. Okay? So I have 900. No, 9,000 is this. That's with 3 zeros. It's not 9,000. So I have 900 plus 90 plus 9, which is
999.
Yeah. 999. That's one way of doing it. Look at example number 2. Okay. When I'm adding, do I start on the left side or on the right?
Right.
On the right. Okay. On the right. So I'm adding the ones place first, right? So 7 ones plus 8 ones is how many ones?
8.
7 plus 8?
15.
15. 15 ones, or How do I write 15 in expanded form? How many 10s do I have in 15? 1. And then how many 1s do I have in 15? 5. So 1 10 and 5 1s. I have that. After I add the 1s, I add the numbers in the tens place, right? Okay. I have 6 10s and 0 10s. I put up, so 6 plus 0 is 6. So I have 6 10s. And then after I'm done with that, I add the numbers in the hundreds place. Okay. Okay, that's 15, and this is 300. So 300 is 100 plus 200s. How many hundreds is that? 3. 300. And then I add all those together. Okay. So it looks like it's 15 plus 60 plus 300. Okay. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. And then 0 plus 3 is 3. So if I add all those together, I get 375. So I want you to do 3 by yourself. It says find 157 plus 200 plus 291. Show your work. Go ahead and add these two numbers right here. Okay? Show your work. That means you have to work it out. Does it mean I just do it in my head? No. So it says find 157 plus 291. Show your work. Couple ways. I can go 157 plus 291, right? 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 9 is 14. Put the 4 down, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. I could do it that way, right? Okay. Or, by using 10 blocks, I could do this. And 157, okay, I have 100s, one of them, and I have 5 10s, right? Four, 5, and then how many ones? 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? And 291, how many hundreds do I have? 2. Okay. And how many 10s? 9. Okay. 9. So that'll take forever, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many ones? How many ones? 1. So then I have to add, right? So go back to this. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Does it carry anything? No, 8 is a single digit. Now I want to add how many, I need to make 10s out of the 10s that I have. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1 right here. Which I have to carry over to my hundreds, right? Okay. So how many 10s do I have left? 4. Now I have to add the hundreds that I made. 1, 2, 3, plus the 100 that I created from the 10s that I have is 4. That's another way of doing it. Okay. Use whatever strategy is comfortable for you, okay? Let me ask you this. Which one took more time? This one or this one? So A or B? Which one took the longest to solve? A. This one right here, B did not take very, very long, right? So it depends on which one you feel comfortable with. Okay? Are both wrong? No. Are both correct? Yes. Yes, they are. Both are correct. All right. So look at number 5. It says estimate. Okay? Estimate is just a fancy word that says to round first, and then we add. All right? It says round 142 to the nearest hundred. So I have 142 to the nearest hundred. What number's in the hundreds place? 1. Look at number to the right. What does the 4 say do to the 1? Stays the same. Replace these two numbers with zeros. Then I have 382. Round to the nearest hundreds. What number's in the hundreds place in 382? 3. Look at number to the right. What does the 8 say to do to the 3? Add 1. What's 1 plus 3?
4.
And replace these two numbers with? So this is what it means when they tell you to estimate. Okay? You're rounding first, and then we add. So what's 100 plus 400? Yeah, 500. Okay. When it says is your answer to the problem number 4 reasonable? Well, it looks like you guys added 142 plus 382. If I add those together, 4 plus 8 is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1, 3, 4, 5. Huh. Is that closer to 600 or 500? 500. So was our answer reasonable? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Because when I round 524 to the nearest hundreds, okay, 5 is in the hundreds place. Look at number to the right. What does the 2 say to do to the 5? Stays the same. And replace the 2 and the 5 with? Zeros. So if I round 524 to the nearest hundreds, I get 500. So yes, my answer is reasonable. Nice.